Good morning, students. Now, exercise 1.1, first Roman, fill in the blanks. Students, don't take notes. Afterwards, I will give notes clearly. Okay, fill in the blanks. So, the first question is minus 19 by 5 lies between the integers dash and dash. First question is minus 19 by 5 is lies between the integers dash and dash in number line. Okay, first we have to see the which type of fraction. Which type of fraction? It is an improper fraction. Improper fraction means first we have to convert this into the mixed fraction. How to convert? So my 19 divided by 5. Fifth table, how many times? 3 times. 3 5s are 15. Balance 4. This is whole number. This is denominator. This is numerator. WDN. Okay. So, this one converted into mixed means whole number. Here minus. So, write a minus 3 4 by 5. Minus 3 4 by 5. What is it is lie between the integers dash and dash. So this number is greater than minus 4 and less than minus 3. This number is greater than minus 4, less than minus 3. So these number lie between minus 4 and minus 3. Are you clear? Are you clear, ma? Yes. Next question. The rational number that is represented by the rational number that is represented by 0.44 is. Second question. 0.44. They are given a decimal number. You want to convert this into rational number. How to convert? The point after 2 digit. So this is 10th place, this is 100th place. Okay, 2 digit means so 100th. So 44 by 100. Are you clear? These two number, numerator and denominator, come in same table. Which table? First cut in second table means here 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, then 5 2s are, then 0. Okay, second table. Next, which table? Again second table. 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2. Next, 25 2s are. So the represented 0.44 is represent on our rational number is 11 by 25. Are you clear? Next, third question. Third question is the standard form of plus 58. Standard form of plus 58 divided by minus 78. Standard form of plus 58 divided by minus 78. First, denominator is minus. So, how to convert this minus to plus means just take and write here. Okay. So, minus 58 divided by 78. So, standard form means simplest form. Standard form means simplest form. So, these two numbers come in same table. Both numbers are ending in even number. So, cut in second table. 2 2s are 4. Balance 1. 9 2s are 18. Next term. 3 2s are 6. Balance 1. 9 2s are 18. So, that minus 29 by 39. These two numbers are prime number. So, it is a simplest form. That is standard form. Are you clear? Okay. Next, the fourth question. Find the value of. Fourth question is find the value of minus 5 by 12 plus 7 by 15. Find the value of minus 5 by 12 plus 7 by 15. Now see both numbers denominator is different. So denominator difference means inside, in between plus. So denominator want to same. How to find the denominator, how to convert the denominator to same means just take a LCM. LCM of 12 and 15. Find LCM 12, 15. Third table 4 times 5 times. So 3 4s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So the LCM is 60. LCM of 12 and 15 is 60. Then take and write the first one, minus 5 by 12 into dash equal to 60. Which number multiply you get 60? 5. Numerator, denominator 5 means numerator also 5. So 5 5s are 25. So minus 25 by 60. Next 7 by 15 into dash equal to here 60. 15. Which number multiply you get 60? 4. Denominator 4 means numerator also 4. 7 4s are 28. So now denominator, both denominator are same. So how to write? Minus 25 plus 28 divided by 60. Now see, the both numbers are different sign. So we have to subtract the numbers and put the greatest number sign. 28 minus 25. Subtract means we get 3. Greatest number sign is plus. Divided by denominator is 60. The numerator and denominator come in same table. Cut it. 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. So the answer is 1 by 20. Are you clear? Any doubt? Okay, next fifth question. Next fifth question is the value of minus 15 by 23 divided by minus plus 30 by 46. 30 by 46. Okay, is does the value of minus 15 by 23 divided by 30 by minus 46. Here minus 15. Here division means how to write? Minus 15 by 23 divided by 30 by minus 46. Like this means how to change this division into multiplication? Yeah, very good. Want to take a reciprocal. Reciprocal of this number is minus 15 by 23 into minus 46 by 30. Okay. Now see, 15 and 30 come in same table. 1 15 is 15. 2 15s are 30. 1 23 is 23. 2 23s are 46. Here minus, so here also minus, here also minus. So 1 into 2. 1 into 2 is 2. Minus into minus plus divided by, here 1 into 2 is 2. Now numerator denominator same. So the answer is 1. So the value of this is 1. Are you clear? The fill in the blank? Students, second Roman, true or false. The true or false I will give in notes detail. Okay. Now the third Roman, list the numbers between 2 minus 2 and 0. So 5 rational numbers. We have to find 5 rational number. They are given whole number. Whenever you see the whole number, the denominator is 1. So minus 2 by 1, 0 by 1. Okay. So now see, minus 2 by 1. Multiply with any number. Okay. Divide into 10 by 10. So what is answer? 1 into 10, 10. Minus 2 into 10, minus 20. Then second one, 0 by 1 into 10 by 10. So the answer is 0 by 10. So minus 20 by 10. Here 0 by 10. In between, what are the numbers? Minus 19 by 10, minus 18 by 10, minus 17 by 10, minus 16 by 10, etc. minus, 0 by 10. In between, this is minus 20 by 10, here 0 by 10. In between, any 5 rational number you want to take and write. Okay, are you clear the first sum? Next, second sum. Third Roman, second sum. List the numbers between minus 1 by 2 and 3 by 5. Now see the denominator, it is different. So we have to take LCM. What is LCM? 2 and 5. 2 and 5 is 10. LCM is 10. So first take and write minus 2 by 1 by 2 into dash equal to LCM 10. Which number multiply? 5. Here 5 means up also 5. 1 into 5 minus 5. Okay, next 3 by 5 into dash equal to, here 10. 5, which number multiply you get 10? 2. Here 2 means up also 2. 3 2s are 6. So minus 5 by 10. Here 6 by 10. In between, minus 4 by 10, minus 3 by 10, minus 2 by 10, etc. 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 5 by 10. In between, minus 5 by 10 and 6 by 10. In between, write any 5 rational numbers. Are you clear? Okay. Next, third sum, the same procedure. List the numbers, 5 rational numbers between, they are given 0.25 and 0.35. Now see, they are given a decimal number. How to convert this decimal number into rational number? So 1/10th place, here 100th place, here also 10th place, here 100th place. Okay, so how to write this? 25 by 100 and 35 by 100. Okay, so 25 by 100 and 35 by 100. In between, any 5 rational number. So 26 by 100, 27 by 100, 34 by 100. Next 30, 34, any 5 rational numbers. Okay, take and write in between 25 and 35. Are you clear, ma? Next sum also same. Fourth question is minus 1.2 and minus 2.3. Now see, point after how many digit? Only one digit. So minus 1 by 2 divided by 1 into dash equal to. So point after one digit. So 1 to multiply with the 10. So you get minus 12 by, the point will move this side. So 1 into 10, 10. Like that, minus 2.3 divided by 1 into dash equal to, here 10, here also 10. The point will move this side. So minus 23 by 10. Okay. So minus 12 minus 23, which is the greatest? So minus 23 is the greatest. So minus 23 by 10, minus 22 by 10, minus 21 by 10, etc. minus 11 by 10, 12 by 10. Okay. Are you clear, ma? Any doubt? Okay.